What's cracking, guys? It's your boy Tomarino LCA here with another video on the E. Gee, let's make the camera a little bit bigger. Yeah, guys, so yeah, pusimos the brakes, we put everything. Calipers are on. We have to torque everything down. But before we could do that, there's something missing in here in the middle. And you guys know what that is. So we went ahead and picked up some brand new coilovers for the EG project. Actually, Mauri picked them up. So let's go ahead and move these out of the way. Here it comes with the Allen keys. Woo! Max speed. Guys, I've honestly had pretty good experience with Max speed. Obviously, don't get the cheap ones. Go with the higher end ones, the blue spring or the gray spring. Those are the best ones, T6 or T7. For this one, since it's not going to be, my brother's like a grandpa driver. I'm Marty's a grandpa driver, so he doesn't really need the T7s like I did on my EP3. So we went ahead and got the T6s for him, and we're gonna go ahead and slap them on. First off, we have to get the old suspension. I'd say more so put it about the same height, maybe like an inch lower. We have to take the forks off of those ones, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then put them on those coilovers and slap them on that. So let's go ahead and start that process real quick. All right, guys, aquí tenemos the old one, old coilover, ugly. Obviously has some sort of contraption there. And here are the new ones, the Max Speed. Sheesh. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, take that off real quick, get the impact, take this bolt off, take it off, and slap it on the other coilover so we can get that process of swapping them over going. So let me get the impact real quick. And all right, guys, it was easy peasy. We just used the 14. Let's go ahead and clean those out and slap them onto the Max Speed. So yeah, 14, took it out right here. Igual la cosa. Not that bad, honestly. 2 minutes. All right, guys, we're over here building them, as you guys can see. Oh, la rieta, se la puse al revés again. This one just goes backwards, but it's this same as that one. And then we're gonna put the cup on the bottom because this hole is too big.
That's what she said.
So let's go ahead and show you guys the after product once it's done. All right, guys, we finished putting on the forks on the bottom. Ended up putting an axle on, realizing that I hadn't recorded. No manches, Mario, you bring the worst jack. Ahorita va ese. Wait, is it going this way? Let me go ahead and put the jack under, and then I'll put it in and see if it's gonna fit. I'm not sure if this is the axle for this side or which one is it. So let me quickly fix that. All right, guys, ya pusimos the first one. Sheesh. Tighten it. Put everything down. Haven't tightened it yet, but ahorita lo hacemos. So this one goes right here. Go ahead and do that real quick. Just put these. Way. Sorry, guys. Let's see how it fits. But yeah, let's continue. All right, guys. Yeah, officially almost the first one. Just have to tighten all these little stuff, but yeah, coilovers in. Everything looks good. Ahí va la cosa. Now time to do the other side, and hopefully we can put the wheels on today. Let's go ahead and jump on the other side. All right, guys, ya andamos acá en este lado. Take everything off. Tráete la brush. Time to put the other axle in. Gonna clean it off, and we should be good.
Quack, quack.
Tenemos que hablar pato pa' aquí.
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
done with this coilover. Sheesh. Come on. Ya está todo puesto. Yes, sir. Why is it wet? Oh, yeah, okay. So with all honesty, time to tighten everything except the outer tie rods because I'm gonna be messing with the alignment. Pero ya está la cosa, guys. Sheesh. That wasn't too bad. Whew. But I think we're gonna call it a day here. And tomorrow, all that's left is torque everything down to spec on the ball joint, lower control arm, upper camber kit, and we should be good. But yeah, hay que seguirle. Ahorita Marty's gonna pick up in the meantime while I go get my girl, and then I'll be back. What's crack-a-lackin', guys? Next day here. Ya acabamos todo lo de enfrente. Next step is, we just haven't aligned it, but next step is the rear. So let's put the rear coilovers on. And my brother ended up getting some LCAs. He's gonna bring them out right now, and we're gonna go ahead and check those out. But in the meantime, let's take off the tire. Choo-choo! Let me get the impact. My handy dandy impact. Por aquí está. Acá está. All right, guys, I didn't end up recording, but it's only 3 bolts. 1, 2, and then 3, and then the top one to drop the coilover, I believe. There we go. Oh shoot, I don't even know if I was recording. So we got those out. Looks like those ones were toroscados, so saca los otros. Yeah, guys, ahí va la cosa, ahí va la cosa. Cheesh. Now we just have to make sure nivelar los dos about the same, and then we should be golden. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. And yeah, also have to clean this because it's hella black right there. Ahí va la cosa, ahí va la cosa. All right, guys, we went ahead and adjusted them. We took about maybe like 1.5 inches off. The other one tires were really high either way. But Marty's over there. He's gonna put the bolts on from the inside in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the coilover. So I don't have anybody to hold it, so I'll update you guys right now when it's done. Una, dos, bam, just like that. Ahí está, guys. Va la cosa. Next thing, lower control arms. So let's go ahead, open these bad boys up, see how they look. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Show you guys right now. All right, guys, just unpackaged it. Here it is. This is the subframe brace, left, right, joints. And then I believe this one is the little tube thing that makes it drop a little bit lower. But yeah, we went with BWR. So let's go ahead and install these bad boys in there. A ver cómo queda. Ahí está the before. And wait, is it this one? Yeah, it is this one. And bam! Just like that, guys. Coilover and everything is on. We just do the center brace, which we're gonna do right now. So let's move that way and get it popping. Choo-choo. This one. Like I see, vámonos para allá pues. All right, guys, we got Marty over there. Took off the other side. Jumped over to this side. Boom, took it off. That one's done. We just have to do the subframe. So next up, this babe. I'll actually put the coilover on beforehand. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Marty, the coilover, mételo. All right, guys. Cheers. There we go. All good to go. Now we just have to torque it. We're going to look up the torque specs, and then we're going to go ahead and torque it down. Sheesh. That wasn't too bad, guys. Took me maybe, what time is it right now? We started at like 5:45.
6:53.
An hour to do both sides and both coilovers. Not bad. That's record time, guys. Sheesh. Honestly, pretty dang good. Yeah, so let's go ahead and torque everything down. Let me look at the specs, and then I'll tell you guys what I torqued it down to. Got my handy dandy torque wrench right here, so let's go ahead and do that. And yeah. All right, guys, went ahead and set it to 40 pounds. My brother's gonna record right now me torquing them down. So let's go ahead and do this. there we go, guys. All torqued down. Now, all we gotta do, pass it over, sheesh, is to adjust the coilovers to wherever we're gonna want them, and we should be good. Now we can honestly put the exhaust. Might as well leave the car up in the air. So tomorrow we can just hop in here and put the exhaust on. But yeah, let's put some jacks on so this car doesn't fall. Let's go ahead and do that, and we should be done for today. All right, guys, we're finishing picking it up. Show you guys a quick, whoo, damn. Oh yeah, another thing that I think we should do on the EG is the rear calipers. Get them from an Integra, do all that stuff. But for now, we should be good. Everything looks good to go. Probably try on the tires tomorrow. But it's too dark. Honestly, tomorrow probably is just gonna be adjusting the car. I have Friday off, guys, so on Friday, I'm gonna do the, actually, you know what? Tomorrow, we're gonna do the exhaust and the headers. That way on Friday, I could just adjust all the stuff myself. So it won't be that hard, because it won't be that hard, I mean. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do that Friday. Go ahead and adjust the alignment on the car, since it's not that hard. Just eyeball it for now, you know, guys, for now, and then probably do the transmission flush, because my brother's not gonna come to like 1 or 2. But yeah, well, for today, guys, we're just gonna pick up. Ya acabamos. Successful day. Todo mugroso. You know, it's already pants season. It's hella cold outside now. Ando con mi chamarrona. But yeah, all right. Hasta luego, mi plebe. Como dice una chiquitita por ahí. Chao, chao.